Do you ever feel like the world is becoming more unpredictable by the day? Natural disasters, political unrest, economic uncertainty, pandemics, the list goes on. And what if something happens that completely disrupts our daily lives? We can't control what happens in the world, but we can control how we prepare for it. That's why becoming a prepper in today's climate of world issues is vital. Being a prepper means being prepared for anything. It means having a plan in place, being self-sufficient and ready to face any challenge that may arise. By having a stockpile of food, water, and supplies, you ensure that you and your loved ones have the essentials in case of an emergency. The world is changing, and with the increasing frequency of extreme weather events, cyber attacks and global health threats, it's more important than ever to be prepared. Prepping isn't just about having supplies, it's about having the knowledge and skills to survive in any situation. By learning how to use different tools and equipment, you can be self-sufficient and take care of yourself and your loved ones in any situation. The future is uncertain, but by being a prepper, you can be prepared for anything that comes your way. Don't wait until it's too late, the time to prepare is now.